Have a Generac One Wash pressure washer and the engine will not start. Just installed new gas, oil change and spark plug replaced. Air cleaner is good as is the spark arrestor. After trying to pull it a few times to start, the LED light on the front panel goes on indicating low oil, low water.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shutoff valve open and the fuel clean?
Brand new fuel.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
So far I have.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Yes, I want to know why the LED light is going on when water pressure and oil are perfectly okay.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Do you have the full model number of the unit? Briggs engine? If you remove the spark plug and ground the plug to the metal of the engine, do you have spark when cranking? If you have spark, put a teaspoon of fuel into the spark plug hole, reinstall spark plug and see if the engine will start for a few seconds. If it does, the carburetor is not passing fuel. I need the model number to find out about the LED light warning.
Model number is ###. Not sure if it is a Briggs engine or Generac engine. Serial number is ### GPM/LPM2. 8/10.6 psi/bar 3100/213. It's late here and I do not have the unit hooked up to the water supply line. I can try the spark plug test to check for spark tomorrow morning as you suggested. The LED blinks in 2 modes, 1 blink per second and 2 blinks per second. This is what I found online below. 13 If the engine oil level or the water supply pressure drops below the minimum set value, the engine will shut down and a fault indicator light will display on the control panel. The indicator light will display 1 blink per second for low oil level and 2 blinks per second for low water supply pressure. The fault light will continue to flash for 1 minute. Once the fault is fixed, you can restart the pressure washer, figure 25.
Okay.
Thanks so far. I will let you know what happens in the morning with the spark plug test.
Okay.
Good morning, Curtis. I ran the spark test and have plenty of spark. I added some gas to the spark plug hole and reinstalled the spark plug. After several pulls it would not start. I decided to disconnect the oil sensor yellow wire and it still would not start. I disconnected the black wire as well and with only 1 pull it started right up. While running I reconnected the yellow wire and it still kept running. When I attached the black wire it shut down the engine. Both of these wires go into a small metal box, like a regulator of old. I just do not know what this part is called, but it must be the root of the problem. Any help in identifying this part would be much appreciated. It has the letters HQ stamped on the metal. Generac pressure washer safety switch 0G844201112 is the part that is not working for future reference. Thanks for your help.
Good job. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.